Hello, Art Maniacs. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Pearl from SpongeBob. All right, here we go. So to start with, we're going to draw a line coming across like this that's about three or four finger widths. Then we're going to draw a line coming down that's about the same. Then we're going to draw a line going down and back across past where this is. Then we're going to draw a line diagonal like so. And then where that line stopped, we're going to come in here and we're just going to draw a line like this. So it's not going to touch on the edge. Then we're going to draw a little line on the top here like so. And we're going to draw a heart like that. Then right here, above where this is, we're going to have a little line there. We're going to have a little line coming across. And here's Pearl's eye, which is a big letter N. Then it's got a little black in there. And I'm gonna leave a little white in there for some shine. And then she's got some cute little eyebrows, eyelashes. Then we have a little bow back here, which is gonna be a little N. It comes back around like that. Then we're gonna draw a little oval. Then we're gonna draw another N, like so, for her bow. I think maybe this is her ponytail. Oh yeah, that's her hair. Okay, well that'll work. All right, then we're gonna come right here underneath this line right here. And we're going to draw a line that comes down and back up for her mouth. And then she's got some teeth here. There we go. Then she's got another line that comes on the edge of that, like that. Then we're going to come down here. And this is going to come down about to there. We're going to draw a little kind of fluffy, circle-y thing right there for her fluffy sleeve. And then she's got two lines coming out for her arm. She's got a little letter C for her thumb. Let's see. What else does she have? She's got another C there going backwards, and then this comes out under just a little bit longer. Then on the other side, it comes back down like this, and it comes across with a curvy line, and then she's got her whale belly here that comes down, and then she's got some whale belly lines there. And then she's got another arm right here that's got a fluffy sleeve. And then her elbow comes out and back with a little circle for the hand. And then this comes down and across, and she's got a P on her shirt for Pearl. And then she's got her little wiggly skirt, and she's got her little bitty pearl legs. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of room. And then she's got some boots on. Ugh. I'll have to fix that. So it's like this with a line coming like that. She's gonna have black boots. There we go. And then here's the ground at Bikini Bottom. And I think we've got it. All right. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania.